Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Aarti Durakkar, Assistant Professor from Department of Chemistry, Sevadal Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we will discuss about dienes, the organic compounds. The class of hydrocarbon containing two double bonds are called as dienes. General formula for dienes is CnH2n-2, just like alkynes, and therefore dienes are also known as isomeric form of alkynes. Dienes are of three types. One is isolated diene, second one is conjugated diene, and the third type is cumulative diene. When two double bonds are separated than more than one single bond in the compound, it is called as isolated diene, just like in 1,4-pentadiene. Second class of diene, when two double bonds in the compounds get separated by one single bond, then the dienes are called as conjugated diene. For example, 1,3-butadiene. And when two double bonds in the compound are adjacent to each other, the dienes are called as cumulative diene. For example, propadiene. Now, methods of formation of 1,3-butadiene. We will see three methods of preparation for 1,3-butadiene. Number 1, from N-butane. 1,3-butadiene can get from or produced from N-butane by passing N-butane through a red hot chromium oxide. Dehydrogenation reaction takes place and 1,3-butadiene is obtained. In the second procedure, again same dehydrogenation reaction takes place, but initial compound or reactant we take instead of N-butane and butene. So we get 1,3-butadiene. In the third method of preparation, we take 1,4-butadiol as initial reactant and we react it with concentrated H2SO4. So dehydration of the compound takes place and we will get 1,3-butadiene as a final product. Then chemical reactions of 1,3-butadiene. Now 1,3-butadiene is having two double bonds, so it is very reactive compound, and generally as it is having two double bond, it generally give two kinds of product, that is 1,2 and 1,4 addition product. So we will see the chemical reactions one by one. The first reaction is addition of bromine. When we add bromine to 1,3-butadiene, we get two compounds, that is 1,2 addition and 1,4 addition product, that is 3,4-dibromo-1-butene and 1,4-dibromo-2-butene. When we add HBr, then again same kind of addition reaction takes place. So we get 3-bromo-1-butene and 1-bromo-2-butene as a product. The third kind of chemical reaction of 1,3-butadiene is polymerization reaction, where we get again two types of polymer. One is 1,2 addition polymer, another one is 1,4 addition polymer. The fourth reaction is reaction of 1,3-butadiene with hydrogen. Here also we get two compounds, two products, 1-butene and 2-butene, that is as a result of 1,2 and 1,4 addition product. And the last reaction is Diels-Alder reaction. It is a specific reaction. Here in Diels-Alder reaction, diene, just like 1,3-butadiene, it reacts with alkene or dienophile. Dienophile means it is a compound having one double bond to form a cyclic compound. For example, if we react 1,3-butadiene with ethene, so we get cyclohexene, that is a Diels-Alder product. So thank you very much.